everybody, I'm Jen. Today I am going to take you through the Color Street New Stylist pack. This is the pack that I purchased as a brand new Color Street stylist. I have been getting comments for quite a while on how people like my nails that I do for my YouTube video and how they are interested in knowing how I do them. So I decided to go ahead and become a Color Street stylist and share my journey with you guys. So this is my very first pack. This contains everything that I need to kick off my career. So it was about $150 including shipping and tax and everything. I believe it's $130. I'll get the details and post below. If you're interested in becoming a stylist, let me know because I can definitely help you through that. I will post all of my information below if you're interested in being a stylist, if you're interested in purchasing, if you want to host a party, anything like that, just let me know. Also, this is not the normal kind of video that I do for this page, and I realize that, so let me know below if this is something you're interested in. I know some of you are not, so please, I apologize, just ignore me. But don't unsubscribe because I need you as a subscriber, and I know you love my art videos. But for everybody that is interested in learning about my nails and what I do for my YouTube, I will post my business page below as well as my Facebook group. If you want to join, I have a VIP group that I can give you all the information. You can contact me and we can set up a party or just purchase. Awesome thing is the new fall colors came out today, so absolutely take a look at that link below. I'll link below my purchasing page as well. So purchase it. It's a lot of fun. Try it. If you need a sample, let me know, anything like that. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. I've been with Color Street as a buyer or a customer for quite a while now. I'd say, I want to say last year, maybe August last year, so probably a year. My first party was in March, right when COVID happened. March, April timeframe, and then I just became a stylist in August. So that's my beginning journey, and this flap isn't staying open, so I'm going to turn it sideways for us. And this is what we got as a new stylist. It looks like we have a couple trays in here. This cool tray, I love how it's organized. These are my little samples. Looks like they are all one color, but these are the very cool samples that I can hand out. This is called Tokyo Lights. You get 50 of these as a new stylist to hand out people at the grocery store, when you have parties, things like that. I won't be doing any in-person parties, but I will definitely be doing Facebook parties, so you're welcome to join any of the ones that I have. If you join the VIP group, I will definitely be advertising that. Or if you don't want to join a party, that's fine too, but we'll have fun and games. Yeah, and I can send out samples when needed. I do wish that they had included more than just one color, but there are 50 of these, so if you sign up for a stylist, you get 50 of those. And then you get some full sets. So, and it is a variety. So I'm going to move this over so we can look at our variety. So these are pedicures. I have not tried the pedicures yet, so I will happily try this one. It's called How Sweet Is It? They're very, very pretty. I don't think the picture does it justice, or the video does it justice how sparkly those are. Next we have Are You Madridding Me? That looks like a very bright pink color. This is kind of like an antique pink on my nails right now, so that is a very bright one. Just put them like this so you can see them all. This is a dark burgundy called Venetian Velvet. And then we have the Flag Time Gal. which I am actually, my first party is already booked. You're welcome to join if you'd like. It is going to be Labor Day themed, and I'm glad I got these because I can send that as a prize, as one of my prizes. This is one of my favorites. It is called Bloody Gorgeous, and it is red, awesome red color with a black end, so that end will go right here. This one is Beijing Beauty. It's like a deep red. Looks really good with that flag time gal. Up here is a peachy pink called Havana Honey. Oh, this is the same as my sample. So this must be Tokyo Lights. Yep, Tokyo Lights. So they're definitely putting in a mix because that's the first plain glitter. This one's glitter dipped and glitter designed. Next we have At the Plaza, which is a very pretty pink, pretty soft pink. Ooh, this one's pretty. Rushing Around, I actually just bought a couple of these. This is on my nails as we speak. It is Manchester Mauve. This one's pretty. Purple's my favorite color. This is Glamsterdam. And last but not least is Rule of Plum, which is also super gorgeous. I actually like this one the best, but they don't have a lot in there. So perfect accent nails. These are gorgeous as well. So that's 13 sets. I'm definitely going to be sending some of these to family members who haven't tried them yet. So I will do that. Then it looks like we also got 2 buffing blocks, I guess they're called. Oh. So this side's a file, buff, polish, and shine. Very nice. And then 2 heavy duty nail files. These make good prizes as well, if I can even get them open. Another episode of Can Jen Open a Thing? Okay, so very nice nail file. Color Street branding on it. Pretty heavy duty. I like the little case too. So that was that. And then you've got tips for the perfect application. Tells you how to store them, stored at room temperature. May become more pliable if in the heat and more rigid in the cold. They actually told me or emailed me saying that as soon as these came in the mail, make sure you get them because it's hot outside. Things like that. So there's that. Then it looks like we have a bag. So a Color Street tote bag. Very nice, cute. Got a place for water bottles or extra things. You can put your cards in there. Feels like canvas, black canvas. And a couple loose strings to clip off, but very nice. Oh, they're already off. Very nice, very cute. I will probably be storing my sets in a plastic tub once I get one of those sorted out. I have one in my craft studio that I tried out and it worked perfectly, so I'll probably be getting another one. Looks like they also send you a lot of little itty bitty nail files. And one thing to note is the sets actually do come with a file and an alcoholic prep pad in it already, so you don't have to send those to your customers. But they're great for like the little samples. So it looks like I got 2 packs of those, maybe 25 in each, so 50-ish. As well as these little orange stick thingies that help you push your cuticles down. I'm not a big nail person. Color Street is my big nail part. I have some gorgeous flyers. Gorgeous, gorgeous flyers. Tells you all about the company, if you want to become a stylist, all about the perks, and also the benefits if you host a nail bar. Make sure you pay attention to that, but also contact me if you're interested. Color Street Foundation is good. It says, our passion for giving is the drive force behind the Color Street Foundation. To date, proceeds from the sales of specially designed nail strips have raised funds for charitable organizations that provide research and support for childhood cancers, Alzheimer awareness, animal rescue, military support, and others. I definitely love their foundation strips. They always have the prettiest designs. This one's for autism. So yeah, super cool company. So I have some flyers there. And then it looks like I got some of the fall catalog, which is awesome because these just came out today. I actually missed signing up early enough to get a set of the fall in early, so I haven't gotten any early, but I will be ordering some today. So this is the fall winter catalog that has all the colors. I took out all of the retired ones, and these will be the ones that'll be around for fall and winter. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I am most excited for Plaid Reputation. That is a new one. Smokes on You. And Juno the Drill, I think, is the other one that I'm really excited for. Space Case looks really good. How are you doing? I think I'll end up buying all of them later today. And then of course they have a petite line, which the petites fit me, but they are made for smaller hands in case you have some of those running around in your house. Tells you how to apply them and hosting. So those, I'm super glad that I got the fall version because, like I said, I signed up at the very end of the summer, beginning of the fall. So now we have some nail prep pads. So these are alcohol wipes, basically, that prep your nails for application, and I found that it is best to do it because it gets out any oils or lotions or anything that might be on your fingertips and make these last a lot longer. I have worn mine, the longest was 12 days. You can wear them longer, but the reason I took them off after 12 days is my nails grow fast, and it was driving me crazy. So I took them off, especially having my hands on video. They also sent some nail polish remover pads. Looks like I got 2 boxes of those, so that's awesome. 20 each, so 40. And the nail prep pads, they sent 100, so very nice. And you can do one for both hands, at least I usually do. And then last up we have a little Color Street Road to Success book, where I can put in my dates. It has a little intro from the founder, Fa Park, and then you can just put in your information, your journey, compensation plan. I actually did get my first commission payment already, so that's super exciting, and it was just me buying some stuff, me and a couple friends buying some stuff, so I haven't even done my first party yet. So it definitely has an address book, different events and plans. So that is awesome. So that is my Color Street Beginners Pack, or New Stylist Pack, I guess is probably a better way to put it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, but not only that, let me know if this is something you want to see, if you want to hear about my journey. If not, I absolutely can keep it just in the Facebook group. No worries, but let me know either way so that I am aware of what you want. And I will be doing videos like how to apply, things like that on my Facebook as well. So thanks for watching and sticking it out with me. Have a good day.